Hey guys, welcome to TechWhipped. In this video, we're going to be looking at 6 differences between product, project, and program managers. Before we jump into differences, let's start by understanding context for each of these roles so we are aligned when discussing differences. A program manager is someone who manages the program. A program can be a major company initiative, for example, improving internal processes or transitioning into a new geography. He divides the program into multiple projects and sub-projects, which is where a project manager comes in who takes one of these projects. He may also take more than one of these projects depending on the kind of project he's working on. A product manager, on the other hand, is someone who's pulled in once there is a requirement to build a product in order to solve the problem that a program is trying to solve. So for example, if you're trying to expand into a new geography and you need a completely new product to do this, then that's where a product manager is looped. That understanding being in mind, let's jump into 6 differences between each of these roles. For the first one, let's start by program manager. A program manager manages multiple projects that are a part of the program, while a project manager manages one or two projects and he takes care of the when, how, and who of things, right? So when do we have to deliver certain items? How do we have to build certain items? And who is the person who will be working on each of these items? Product manager, on the other hand, focuses more on the strategic side of things, focuses on product vision, product roadmap, and product strategy. So what is to be built and why are we building something? Let's talk about the next difference. Program manager focuses on building newer initiatives, and these initiatives can be generic ones like improving certain customer processes or internal processes, or just expanding into a new geography. While a project manager focuses on building dashboards, documenting what we are currently already working on these projects and driving these projects to completion. A product manager, on the other hand, focuses on features and products to build in order to solve the end customer problem. Let's jump to third difference. Program manager manages the budgets and financial health of the entire program. The project manager does the same for the project itself. Product manager focuses on the financial health and also the viability of the product. So where to sell, at what price point to sell, all of that. Let's jump to the fourth difference. A program manager manages project risks across various projects, while a project manager manages project-specific risks. For example, not having a certain team member might lead to the delay of the project itself. So these are the kind of risks a project manager is working on, while a product manager is looking towards more strategic risks like competitor risk, business risk, vulnerability risks, and market risks. So for example, if there are certain change in the guidelines of the government, it might impact the product. So how do we ensure that we are prepared for changes like these? Let's go to the fifth one. Program manager gets buy-in from all the major stakeholders for program and initiatives, while a project manager keeps all the teams who are working on a daily basis aligned on the product vision and the roadmap. A product manager, on the other hand, is someone who builds this roadmap and vision, communicates it across major stakeholders involved in business, product, etc. Finally, a program manager works with project managers to solve dependencies and remove blockers. Project manager, on the other hand, works with internal teams like tech, marketing, growth, product, and drives execution on a day-to-day basis. Product manager, on the other hand, works with customers, clients, internal teams to gather feedback about the product and build requirements. These are 6 major differences between product, project, and program managers. I hope this video gives you certain understanding with respect to differences between each of these roles. If yes, share this across with a friend. Consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. Drop a like on this video and I'll see you in the next one.